Hello everybody, good morning. This is Will here with New England Foundation Crack Repair. Just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about repointing stone foundations. If you have the fieldstone foundations and you have all your mortar falling off easy like that, you have to do maintenance on the mortar every 20 to 30 years. So what we do is we remove all this degraded mortar that you see out here, that you can just take all the mortar off. Then we place the stones back where it's supposed to go here. And then we fill the wall. We fill the wall back up with brand new mortar. See how it comes off easy. And then the finished result, this is what you get. After it's all said and done, after 30 days, after the mortar cures, you're all set. And you basically have a brand new basement. Thanks for watching.